Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:30 p.m., December 15th, 2020. My brother's birthday. Happy 50th? Crazy. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. I am just going to continue with what happened yesterday. It's basically the same thing. The markets are giving it to me a little tougher, but they were giving it to me, and I got off to two bad trades, and I just went down a spiral today once again. I was able to find myself fighting all day long after the first 30 minutes. I don't know what's going on. I'm just doing stupid stuff. I tried to size up on one trade that really didn't set up. Well, it did. I'm sorry. It did set up. It was just a stupid entry. I think a lot of people got stuck in this one. The algos got me. And, of course, it's the one time I sized up pretty good. But my first trade of the day was on snow. Really good trade setup. Like, really fantastic trade setup. But I traded with 200 shares. This is a $309 stock at the time. And I traded with 200 shares. I'm sorry. And I was looking for a 309 break on this. So this candle's created the 309, 838 high. This candle got me. I was 309.10 and then flushed down, and I got out. I banged out really quick. I wasn't riding that thing down 6 points, and I took like a 2-point loss on 200 shares. So I was down like four. Actually, it wasn't 2 points. It was like a point and a quarter or something like that. And it was down like 288 to start my day, and I was just like, oh my God. And then look what happens. Next candle, it goes through 309 and just rips to 328. I mean, this is what's been happening to me a lot lately. It's really unfortunate, and really start my day downhill. And then I looked at this stupid pharmaceutical, therapeutics, whatever, back through 5. I jumped in a little early. It did work eventually. But I got on this candle here. No, it wasn't this candle. It was on this candle, but I jumped in early. Before this move was made, it flushed down. I was in for 2,000 shares. I meant to get 1,000 shares. I went for 2,000 shares, and I took a big hit on this one. I lost 358. So between those two stocks, I was down about $600 to start my day. Give me a second here. I'm going to pull up the order I went through. Actually, I took a Neo trade in the pre-market and made $20. That was pretty good. OCX, another one. Why am I looking at these garbage stocks in the morning? The 350 break, like it made the 350 here, and the 351. See how it's 351 right there as a high? Got me in 1,000 shares. Ripped to 31 in no time, and I was down 188 on that one. One more trade. I took a Vero trade, a VERU here. Whoops. I think that was next around 9:30. I don't even know why I was taking it. Back through 11 here. Guess what? It didn't work. Next thing you know, I'm down 233 on it. Do you think I should stop at this point? So this video end right now? Yes. I actually got up for 2 minutes, walked away, shook it off, did some jumping jacks, push-ups, and came back, and I found Roku. Okay, so Roku back through the 238 level here, or 328 level here. I thought I was going to rip. I thought I was going to rip to yesterday's highs. So I held. I was looking for the bigger move because I was down significantly, and I only ended up walking with like $139. So that was at least a trade in my favor. I then found QS. By the way, that 280, whatever number I gave you on VERU, I had taken a second trade on. So it's a combination of two trades. I'm sorry about that. I took another VERU trade later on in the day. So I did take a screenshot. I want to bring that up in a few minutes, so hang in there. QS trade, another one, down $100. And Did I talk about the ANCN? Yeah, I talked about the ANCN run, right? Yeah. And then I found a Boeing trade. So I bottomed out there. I was down 1030, 1030. For me, that is significant. I think for anyone that's significant. I was just keeping it in check, though. I was making sure saying to myself, okay, you're down this much. You should walk away. But a lot of times when people walk away, they miss some of the potential trades. My mindset wasn't right. It just wasn't right. I found a Boeing entry. I actually found 2 Boeing trades today. Small gains for $83. And then lunch came around. And one of the hot stocks lately has been, was it PENN? PENN Gaming, or PENN National Gaming. I'm actually in Pennsylvania, so I know about this company. Definitely just a hot stock. It's just this crazy gravitation. I don't know how. I mean, unless their online presence is so strong, because I know people are just, they want to go to casinos, but they really can't. I can't believe how much this is up. It's just insane. So you saw this move through 81 here. I saw the pullback, and I took the next move through 81. Didn't get there, and there it did. I was so down on myself, and I was so down on what I was trading, the size. I reduced my size to 300 shares on PENN, and I was about to trade it with 1,000 because I really liked it that much. Was taking gains this whole time. Made a high of 83, no pain. I think I had like 5 cents of pain in my face against me. Didn't create takeoff as fast as I wanted to. And then pulled back here to the 82 or 81.73. Still would have been in it. I actually sold at lunch because it was at lunch. I wasn't really, also, that was the other factor. I was at lunch. So I didn't think it was going to keep cranking. But this trade got me 219 in my favor. So that was really good. I found that on my own, and I was just like really excited about it. I just didn't size up enough based on the way things were going. I did find a Apple trade late, 127. I think a lot of people took this 127. Pulled back here. I only took, 200 shares. I thought I was going to do a buy stop run at the 128 level or 127 level, but it actually worked. Actually cooked up pretty good. Made $63 on 200 shares. I should have been in there with 1,000. ARVN, the last stock I traded. I did take an OSTK trade for, let's see, OSTK. For $33 late. But this ARVN was interesting. It's a really risky trader. You saw the move yesterday, ridiculous move yesterday, and continuation move. I thought I was going to rip through this high a day from yesterday. Got in at 74, got some off late 74s, and I only traded with 200 shares on this one and made $100. I wish I sized up on that one. So from being down 1,030 to being down 490, I'll take it, I guess. I'm just frustrated because the markets are kind of easy right now. And yesterday was tough, but today it was a lot easier. And I just got off to a really bad start trading first that snow, which felt like that Carvana trade I had a couple months ago. And then I traded that stupid pharmaceutical, biological, whatever you call them, biotechs, $3 stock, $5 stock. Just, they're gone. They're out of my life. If I go back to it, it has to be perfect setup. And I'm not going to risk that much. I just thought coming off that big loss, I might be able to get something back, and that did not work out for me at all. So 2 down days in a row, pretty significant. Gave back a lot of my gains last week. I didn't give back all my gains last week, but I gave back a lot. I don't even want to look at my equity curve. I don't plan on looking at my equity curve, but I will be back. I will be back tomorrow trading, looking for the best setups, and hopefully something will come, and hopefully I'll be sized in properly to get some good gains out of it. I think I was just trying to push for bigger moves when I shouldn't. I saw a Boeing trade that went against me by 5 cents and ripped 2 points. I was in the right stocks at certain times, and I didn't take some off the table when I should have, or I took it off too early. So I will continue to crank out trades tomorrow, and hopefully Wednesday will be the hump day I'll remember and get back a good amount of that good amount of that loss, good amount of those losses. Sorry. I also think what I was about to do was I was going to size into the biggest thing for me is I'm not going to make the money I lost back in one trade or two trades or three trades. I just got to trade how I'm trading, maybe add another, 10-20% share size. But don't try to get it all back at once. That's going to be my dilemma. I did do that on 2 trades today when I went with that 2,000 shares. That was stupid. And then when I had the right trade, the trade I really liked, I sized down. What kind of stupid stuff is that? So I'll continue to size appropriately, manage my risk, which is key, and hopefully not make some ridiculous mistakes that I made today. So hopefully you guys are doing well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. I will be back tomorrow, Wednesday, for some more action. Have a good one.